A cold day in hell used to say that something is extremely unlikely to happen, kabhi na hone wali baat, a fair crack of the whip, a fair opportunity to do something, barabari ka mauka, samanya avsar, a fine kettle of fish, an awkward or difficult situation, uljhan bhari ya mushkil sthiti, a fool's errand, a task or activity that has no chance of success, vyarth ka kaam, asafal hone wala prayas, a foregone conclusion, a result that is certain or inevitable before it happens, pehle se तय natija, nishchit parinam, a heart of gold, a very kind and generous nature, sone jaisa dil, bahut dayalu swabhav, a man of his word, a person who keeps their promises, जुबान का पक्का, जो अपनी बात निभाए, a match made in heaven, a perfect marriage. Especially of two people who are ideally suited to each other, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, आदर्श जोड़ी, a matter of life and death, an extremely urgent or critical situation, जीवन मरण का प्रश्न, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण या गंभीर मामला, a mile a minute, very fast, बहुत तेज गति से, a mile off, very easily noticeable or recognizable from far away, दूर से ही पहचाना जा सकने वाला. Spasht, a millstone around one's neck, a heavy burden that makes progress difficult or impossible, गले का पत्थर, भारी बोझ या जिम्मेदारी, a notch above, slightly better than others, औरों से थोड़ा बेहतर, a passing resemblance, a slight or superficial similarity that is not very noticeable, हल्की सी समानता, a purple patch, a period of exceptional success, a good luck, सुनहरा समय, सफलता का दौर, ये ray of sunshine, source of happiness, खुशी की किरण, खुशी लाने वाला, a roaring success, a great and impressive success, जबरदस्त सफलता, a shrinking violet, a very shy, timid or modest person, अत्यंत शर्मीला या संकोची व्यक्ति, a snowball's chance in hell, no chance at all or impossible, बिल्कुल भी संभावना न होना, a stalking horse, a person or thing that is used to conceal someone's real intentions, असली मकसद को छुपाने के लिए मुखौटा, a stroke of luck, an unexpected piece of good fortune, किस्मत चमकना, अप्रत्याशित भाग्य, a tall order, a difficult or demanding task that is hard to accomplish, मुश्किल काम, असंभव सी मांग, a turn of the screw, an additional action that worsens an already bad situation, बद से बदतर, खराब स्थिति को और बिगाड़ना, across the board. Affecting everyone or everything equally, सभी पर समान रूप से लागू होना, against all, or long, odds, to struggle in spite of great difficulty or unfavorable chances, विपरीत परिस्थितियों में संघर्ष करना, airy fairy, impractical, vague, or unrealistic, not based on solid facts, हवा हवाई, अवास्तविक या काल्पनिक, all in one's head, imaginary or not real, सिर्फ दिमाग की उपज, काल्पनिक, all of a doodah, in a state of excitement or panic, घबराहट या हड़बड़ी में होना, all the better, even more desirable or advantageous, सोने पे सुहागा, और भी बेहतर, all the rage, very popular or fashionable at the present time, चलन में होना, बहुत लोकप्रिय, anything but, not at all. The complete opposite of something, बिल्कुल नहीं, इसके अलावा कुछ भी, as busy as a bee, very busy and hardworking, बहुत व्यस्त, as cute as a button, very cute or attractive, बहुत प्यारा, as happy as Larry, extremely happy and content, बहुत खुश, as ugly as sin, extremely unattractive or ugly, अत्यंत बदसूरत, भद्दा, at a rate of knots, extremely fast or quickly, बहुत तेज गति से, at odds, in disagreement or conflict, असहमत, विवाद में, at the bottom of the ladder, at the lowest position or rank, सबसे निचले पायदान पर, backstairs influence, a secret or underhand influence. typically through unofficial channels, गुप्त सिफारिश या अनुचित दबाव, bag of bones, an extremely thin person, हड्डियों का ढांचा, अत्यधिक दुबला, banana republic, a small country with a weak economy and political instability, राजनीतिक रूप से अस्थिर और आर्थिक रूप से कमजोर देश, bare one's teeth, to show aggression or anger, दांत पीसना, गुस्सा दिखाना, be a law unto oneself, to behave independently in not follow accepted rules or conventions, अपने मन का राजा होना, नियमों की परवाह न करना, be as good as one's word, to keep one's promise. To do what one has promised, जुबान का पक्का होना, वादा निभाना, be bad news, to be a person or thing that causes trouble or problems, मुसीबत की जड़, संकट का कारण बनना, be in eclipse, to be less successful or popular than before, ग्रहण लग जाना, महत्व कम होना, be in the mire, to be in a difficult or unpleasant situation, दलदल में फंसा होना, मुश्किल में होना, be in the running, to have a chance of winning or being successful. To be a contender, दौड़ में होना, जीतने की संभावना में होना, be left holding the baby, to be left with an unwanted responsibility. Often unfairly, जिम्मेदारी सिर पर आ जाना, be no slouch, to be very good or capable at something, किसी काम में माहिर होना, be out of action, to be unable to function or work. Typically due to injury or breakdown, काम करने में असमर्थ होना, beam in one's eye, a fault that is greater in oneself than in the person one is criticizing, अपनी बड़ी कमी को भूलकर दूसरों की छोटी कमी देखना, bed of thorns, a very difficult or uncomfortable situation, कांटों की सेज, बहुत ही असहज स्थिति, bend the elbow, to drink alcohol excessively, अत्यधिक शराब पीना, between whiles, during intervals, now and then, occasionally, बीच बीच में, कभी कभी. Bid someone welcome, to greet someone warmly, स्वागत करना, big cheese, an important or influential person, बड़ा आदमी, प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति, big ticket, very expensive, बहुत महंगा, bigwig, an important or influential person, बड़ा आदमी, प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति, bite the hand that feeds you, to act ungratefully or harmfully toward someone who has helped you, जिस थाली में खाना उसी में छेद करना, एहसान. फरामोशी, black spot, a place where accidents or crimes frequently occur, दुर्घटनाओं या अपराध की जगह, blow one's brains out, to commit suicide by shooting oneself in the head, सिर में गोली मारकर. आत्महत्या करना, blow one's money, to spend money recklessly, पैसे उड़ाना, फिजूल खर्ची करना, blow one's stack, to suddenly become very angry, आपाक होना, बहुत गुस्सा होना, blow the gaff, to reveal a secret or expose a scheme, राज खोलना. भेद उजागर करना, blow by blow, describing every detail of an event in the order it happened, विस्तृत विवरण, blue devils, a state of depression or low spirits, उदासी या अवसाद की स्थिति, blue sky thinking. A creative, imaginative thinking without practical constraints, रचनात्मक सोच, blue stocking, an educated, intellectual or literary woman, अत्यधिक पढ़ी लिखी महिला, bookworm, a person who loves reading and spends a lot of time reading, किताबी कीड़ा, पढ़ने का शौकीन, bounce off the walls, to be extremely excited. Energetic or hyperactive, अत्यधिक उत्साहित होना, brain drain, the emigration of highly skilled or educated people from a country, प्रतिभा पलायन, brass monkey weather, extremely cold weather, बहुत ठंडा. मौसम, break cover, to come out of hiding. To reveal oneself, छिपने की जगह से बाहर आना, break ground, to start construction. To be innovative or pioneering, शिलान्यास करना. नई खोज करना, break the back of, to complete the most difficult or largest part of a task, काम का सबसे कठिन हिस्सा पूरा करना, bring owls to Athens, to do something unnecessary. To bring something to where it already exists in abundance, तेली के घर तेल ले जाना, व्यर्थ के काम करना, broken hearted, overwhelmed by grief, sorrow. और disappointment, दिल टूटा हुआ, बेहद दुखी, build bridges, to improve relationships between people or groups, संबंध सुधारना. मेल मिलाप करना, burn oneself out, to exhaust oneself through overwork, खुद को पूरी तरह थका देना, butter someone up, flatter someone to gain favor or advantage, मक्खन लगाना, चापलूसी करना, by dint of, by means of, because of, के बल पर, की वजह से, by long odds, by a great difference, most certainly, बड़े अंतर से, निश्चित रूप से, call it a night, to stop what you are doing. Especially in the evening, आज के लिए काम बंद करना, call to the colors, summon to military service, सेना में बुलावा. Can't see the forest for the trees, to fail to understand the main point because of focusing on details, बारीकियों में उलझकर मुख्य बात भूलना, carry a torch for, to have unrequited love for someone. To champion a cause, एक तरफा प्यार करना. किसी मुद्दे का समर्थन करना, cast aspersions, to make damaging remarks about someone, कीचड़ उछालना, बदनाम करना, cast one's bread upon the waters, to do good without expecting anything in return, नेकी. कर दरिया में डाल, बिना स्वार्थ के भलाई करना, cast iron stomach, the ability to eat anything without digestive problems. Strong digestion, मजबूत पाचन शक्ति, cat got your tongue, used to ask someone why they are not speaking, usually out of shyness or guilt, मुंह में दही जमना, बोल न पाना, catch one's breath, to pause. To rest and recover normal breathing. To take a break, सांस लेना, थोड़ा आराम करना, catch someone's eye, to attract someone's attention, ध्यान आकर्षित करना, chewed and digested, fully understood or thoroughly thought over, अच्छी तरह समझा. हुआ, child in the cradle, an innocent or inexperienced person, भोला या अनुभवहीन व्यक्ति, चौक ए ब्लॉक, completely full, खचाखच भरा हुआ, clear cut, definite and easy to understand, साफ साफ. स्पष्ट, close. But no cigar, used when someone almost succeeds but ultimately fails, बहुत करीब होकर भी सफल न होना, clouds on the horizon, signs of future trouble or difficulties, संकट के बादल, आने वाली मुसीबतों के. संकेत, cock a snook, to show disrespect or contempt. Especially by a rude gesture, नाक भान चढ़ाना, खुलेआम अपमान करना, conspicuous by one's absence, noticeably absent from a place where one would be expected to be, अनुपस्थिति स्पष्ट होना, cost a bomb. To be very expensive, बहुत महंगा होना, country mile, a very long distance, कोसों दूर, बहुत लंबी दूरी, crack a book, to open a book to study, किताब खोलना, पढ़ाई करना, cry halves, to demand an equal. Share, आधा हिस्सा मांगना, culture vulture, a person who is very interested in art and culture, कला संस्कृति का शौकीन, cup of joe, a cup of coffee, एक कप कॉफी, cupboard love, an affection shown in. Order to get something, स्वार्थी प्रेम, फायदे के लिए दिखावटी स्नेह, curtain lecture, a private scolding given by a wife to her husband, पत्नी द्वारा पति को एकांत में दी गई फटकार, cut and run, to make a quick escape. To leave hurriedly to avoid trouble, 9-2-11 होना, भाग जाना, cut the cord, to become independent. To break ties with someone or something, अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होना, आत्मनिर्भर बनना, cutting edge, the most advanced or innovative stage of development, अत्याधुनिक, daylight robbery, or blatant. Overcharging. Charging far too much for something, दिन दहाड़े लूट, बहुत महंगा. Death blow, an action or event that causes the end or failure of something, घातक प्रहार, अंतिम आघात जो किसी चीज को समाप्त कर दे, die in the last ditch, to fight until the very end. To never surrender, अंतिम सांस तक लड़ना, dig in one's heels, to refuse to change one's mind or give in. To be stubbornly determined, जिद पर अड़े रहना, dirt cheap, very cheap, कौड़ियों के दाम, बहुत सस्ता, dog days, the hottest period of summer, गर्मी के सबसे गर्म दिन, dog tired, extremely tired, बुरी तरह थका हुआ, dollars to donuts, almost certain, लगभग निश्चित, don't give up the day job, a way of telling someone that they are not very good at a new activity, तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं, double talk. A deliberately confusing or misleading speech, गोलमोल बातें, भ्रामक भाषा, doubting Thomas, a person who refuses to believe something without direct personal evidence, संदेहशील व्यक्ति, बिना प्रमाण के न मानने वाला, down the hatch, used as a toast, phrase, before drinking, शराब पीने से पहले की अभिव्यक्ति, down to the wire, until the last possible moment. To the very end, अंतिम क्षण तक, drink like a fish, to drink alcohol excessively, बहुत अधिक शराब पीना, drive a hard bargain, to negotiate aggressively for a favorable deal, सख्ती से मोलभाव करना, drop the ball, to make a mistake or fail at something, गलती कर देना, dyed in the wool, firmly fixed in beliefs or habits, कट्टर, early bird, a person who gets up or arrives early, सुबह जल्दी उठने वाला, समय से पहले आने वाला, ebb and flow, a recurring pattern of coming and going, rising and falling. Fluctuation, उतार चढ़ाव, बदलाव की प्रक्रिया, Elvis has left the building, a phrase used to signal that an event has completely finished and it's time to go, खेल खत्म, जाने का वक्त हो गया, ever in. Anon, now and then. Occasionally, कभी कभार, every man and his dog, a very large number of people. Almost everyone, बड़ी तादाद में लोग या लगभग सभी, every trick in the book, every possible method or technique, हर हथकंडा अपनाना, हर संभव तरीका, everyone and his brother, a very large number of people. Almost everyone, बड़ी तादाद में लोग या लगभग सभी, excess baggage, something or someone unwanted and burdensome, अनावश्यक बोझ, Fabian policy, a strategy of delay to weaken opposition, विलंब की नीति, fair play, a just and honest treatment, equal opportunity for all, निष्पक्ष व्यवहार, ईमानदारी, fall by the wayside, to fail to continue or be abandoned before completion, बीच में छूट जाना, असफल हो जाना, fall in a heap, to collapse suddenly. To fail completely, भावनात्मक रूप से टूटना, fall on deaf ears, to be ignored or not taken into account, अनसुना कर दिया जाना, feel free, used to give permission, you are welcome to, बेझिझक करें. अनुमति देना, feel like $1 million, to feel extremely good, attractive. Or healthy, बहुत अच्छा महसूस करना, feet of clay, a hidden weakness in someone otherwise admired, मिट्टी के पांव होना, छिपी हुई कमजोरी, field day, an opportunity for great enjoyment or activity. A time of unusual success, मौज मस्ती या आनंद का दिन, find common ground, to find shared interests or beliefs that enable agreement, समान मत ढूंढना, fire and brimstone, angry speech threatening. Punishment, especially religious, धार्मिक दंड की चेतावनी, fit and trim, in good physical condition, सुडौल और स्वस्थ, fit to be tied, extremely angry, गुस्से से आग बबूला, flesh and blood, human nature with its weaknesses. One's family or relatives, मानवीय कमजोरी. सगा संबंधी, fool's gold, something that appears valuable but is actually worthless, नकली मूल्यवान चीज, for all intents and purposes, in every practical sense, व्यावहारिक रूप से, fuddy-duddy, and old-fashioned, conservative, or fussy person, पुराने ख्यालों वाला या रूढ़िवादी व्यक्ति, get a buzz, to get a feeling of excitement or pleasure, उत्साहित महसूस करना, get even, to take revenge, हिसाब बराबर करना, बदला लेना, get into a huddle, to gather closely together to discuss something privately, गुपचुप बातचीत के लिए इकट्ठा होना, get one's feet wet, to begin to do something new. To gain initial experience, किसी चीज में हाथ आजमाना, शुरुआती अनुभव लेना, get the jitters, to feel extremely nervous or anxious, हाथ पांव फूलना, घबराहट होना, give currency to spread a, popularize an idea, rumor, etc. बढ़ावा देना, अफवाह आदि को, give free rein, to allow complete freedom to act or decide, बेलगाम छोड़ देना, पूरी आज़ादी देना, give someone a big hand, to applaud enthusiastically, जोरदार तालियां बजाना, give someone a leg up, to help someone get started or advance, किसी को आगे बढ़ने में मदद करना, glass ceiling, an invisible barrier preventing advancement. Especially for women, अदृश्य रुकावट, तरक्की में बाधा, go for the throat, to attack aggressively at the weakest point, कमजोरी पर वार करना, go great guns, to proceed with great speed, energy. और success, धुआंधार प्रगति करना, go like a bomb, to go very fast, to be very successful, बहुत सफल होना, go out of one's way, to make a special effort to do something. Especially to help someone, विशेष प्रयास करना, खासकर किसी की मदद के लिए, go under the knife, to undergo a medical operation or surgery, सर्जरी या ऑपरेशन करवाना, go without saying, to be obvious. To be taken for granted, कहने की जरूरत नहीं, स्पष्ट होना. Golden handshake, a generous payment given when someone leaves a job, सेवानिवृत्ति पर मिलने वाला बड़ा भुगतान, golden opportunity, an excellent chance that should not be missed, सुनहरा अवसर, बेहतरीन मौका, Gordian knot, an extremely difficult problem, जटिल समस्या, gravy train, an easy way to earn money with little effort, आसान पैसा कमाने का रास्ता, green with envy, extremely envious, ईर्ष्या से जलना, grin and bear it, to accept a difficult situation without complaining, मुस्कुराकर सह लेना, बिना शिकायत सहना, hammer and tongs, with great energy and enthusiasm, पूरी ताकत से, hard on the eyes. Unpleasant or ugly to look at, आँखों को चुभना, देखने में अच्छा न लगना, have a brush with, to have a brief encounter or conflict with something, हल्की मुठभेड़ होना, have a conniption, to become very angry, upset, or hysterical over something, गुस्से या घबराहट का दौरा पड़ना, have a lot to answer for, to be responsible for many problems, बहुत सी समस्याओं का जिम्मेदार होना, have a meltdown, to have an emotional breakdown, भावनात्मक रूप से टूट जाना, have a mind like a steel trap, to have a sharp and quick mind, तेज दिमाग होना, have a screw loose, to be slightly crazy or eccentric, दिमाग का पेंच ढीला होना. सनकी या पागल सा, have a sweet tooth, to love eating sweet things, मीठा खाने का शौकीन, have 9 lives, to be able to survive many difficult or dangerous situations, बार बार खतरे से बच निकलना, have one's cake and eat it too, to want two incompatible or mutually exclusive things at the same time, एक ही समय में दो विरोधाभासी फायदे चाहना, दोनों हाथों में लड्डू चाहना, have one's heart in one's boots, to feel very sad, depressed, or discouraged, बहुत निराश महसूस करना, have the time of one's life, to have an extremely enjoyable experience, जीवन का सबसे सुखद समय बिताना, heart skips a beat, to feel sudden excitement or fear. धड़कन रुक जाना, उत्तेजना, डर से, हीट रॉबिन्सन, an absurdly complicated or impractical device, बेहद जटिल और अव्यावहारिक व्यवस्था, hidden depths, surprising qualities not immediately obvious, छिपे हुए गुण, अप्रत्याशित क्षमताएं, hit a nerve, to upset someone by mentioning a sensitive topic, दुखती रग पर हाथ रखना, संवेदनशील मुद्दे को छेड़ना, hit a snag, to encounter an unexpected or hidden obstacle or problem, अड़चन आना, hither and thither, in various directions, इधर उधर, hold all the aces, to have all the advantages. To be in a winning position, सारे पत्ते हाथ में होना, अनुकूल स्थिति, hole and corner, done secretly, often dishonestly, छिपाकर किया गया, अक्सर बेईमानी से, hook, line. And sinker, completely and without doubt, पूरी तरह से, बिना शक, hunky dory, everything is fine or satisfactory, सब ठीक ठाक है, hustle and bustle, a busy. Noisy activity, भागदौड़, चहल पहल, in a body, all together as a group, सामूहिक रूप से, in a lather, in a state of agitation or nervous excitement, घबराहट में, परेशान, in a sweat, become anxious or worried, पसीने छूटना, घबराना, in bad shape, in poor condition, खराब हालत में, in no time, very quickly, झट से, फौरन, in one's absence, when someone is not present, गैरहाजिरी में, in poor taste. Offensive, inappropriate, or lacking good judgment, अशोभनीय, बेहुदा, in spades, to a great degree, very much, abundantly, बहुत ज़्यादा. भरपूर तरीके से, in the bag, certain to be achieved, मुट्ठी में होना, सुनिश्चित सफलता, in the prime of life, at the time of greatest health, strength. और success, जीवन के सर्वोत्तम दौर में, in the zone, fully focused and performing at one's best, पूर्ण एकाग्रता, in tune with the times, up to date with current trends, समय के साथ चलना, it beats me. Used to say that you do not understand something or do not know the answer, समझ से बाहर, jump ship, to leave an organization or project. Especially in difficult times, डूबते जहाज को छोड़ना, मुश्किल में साथ छोड़ना, jump the queue, to move ahead of others unfairly. To skip the queue, कतार तोड़कर आगे निकलना, keep in the dark, to not tell someone about something, अंधेरे में रखना, छुपाना, keep one's cool, to remain calm under pressure, दिमाग ठंडा रखना, शांत रहना, keep one's eyes peeled, to watch carefully, आंखें खुली रखना, सतर्क रहना, keep someone on their toes, to keep someone alert and ready, चौकन्ना रखना, keep tabs on, to monitor closely, नजर रखना, keep your finger on the pulse, to be aware of the latest trends or developments, नब्ज टटोलते रहना, जागरूक रहना, kick the can down the road, to postpone dealing with a problem, समस्या टालना, kick up one's heels, to enjoy oneself in a lively or uninhibited way, बेफिक्र होकर मौज मस्ती करना, knee-jerk reaction, a quick response that is made without any thought or consideration, बिना सोचे समझे दी गई प्रतिक्रिया, knit one's brows, to frown in concentration. Puzzlement or displeasure, भौहें सिकोड़ना, गहरी सोच या नाराजगी में, knock someone over, to push someone down, to shock or astonish greatly, गिरा देना. हैरान कर देना, knock someone's socks off, to greatly impress or astonish someone, बहुत प्रभावित करना, lame duck, a person or thing that is ineffective, unsuccessful. Or powerless, निष्प्रभावी या शक्तिहीन व्यक्ति. Land on one's feet, to be lucky and successful after a difficult situation, कठिनाइयों के बावजूद ठीक स्थिति में पहुंच जाना, larger than life, having an exaggerated or impressive personality, असाधारण व्यक्तित्व, leave someone to their own devices, to allow someone to do as they wish without supervision, अपने हाल पर छोड़ देना, बिना रोक टोक अपनी मर्जी से काम करने देना, let someone off the hook, to free someone from an obligation or difficult situation, किसी को मुसीबत या जिम्मेदारी से बचाना, life in the raw, life as it really is. Without pretense, असल जिंदगी, बिना दिखावे की जिंदगी, like a bear with a sore head, to be very irritable and bad-tempered, बहुत चिड़चिड़ा या गुस्सैल होना, like a kid in a candy store, very excited. And enthusiastic, बहुत उत्साहित, like a ton of bricks, to have a sudden and overwhelming impact, गाज गिरना, अचानक भारी झटका लगना, like water off a duck's back, having no effect on someone, कोई असर न होना, चिकना घड़ा, lily white, pure white. Innocent, morally pure, बेदाग, अत्यंत शुद्ध, listen with half an ear, to listen without giving full attention, इन्ने ढंग से सुनना, ध्यान न देना, loaded for bear, fully prepared for any challenge, पूरी तरह तैयार, lone wolf, a person who prefers to work or be alone, अकेला काम करने वाला, look like a dog's dinner, to be very messy. Untidy, or badly organized, बेढंगा या अजीब दिखना, look to one's laurels, to be careful not to lose one's position of superiority, अपनी श्रेष्ठता बनाए रखने की चिंता करना, lose talk, careless or indiscreet. Conversation, gossip, लापरवाह बातचीत, lose the plot, to become confused or lose focus, भटक जाना, समझ न पाना, lost in translation, meaning changed or lost when converting between languages, अनुवाद में अर्थ खो जाना, lynch law, the practice of punishing someone without a proper trial, भीड़ का न्याय, बिना कानूनी प्रक्रिया के सजा, make a clean sweep, win with a large margin, बड़े अंतर से जीतना, make all pay. Difference, to have a significant effect, बड़ा फर्क पड़ना, make heavy weather of, to make something seem more difficult than it is, आसान काम को मुश्किल बनाना, make like a tree and leave, go away, चले जाओ, make no odds, to make no significant difference, कोई अंतर या प्रभाव न डालना, man of few words, a person who speaks briefly and to the point, कम बोलने वाला, man of honor, a man who is honest and has strong moral principles, इज्जतदार आदमी, सिद्धांतवादी और वचनबद्ध, man of weight, an influential or important person, प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति. Matters of the head and heart, issues involving both logic and emotions, दिमाग और दिल के मामले, तर्क और भावना, mean business, to be serious about what one says or intends to do, गंभीर होना, meat and potatoes, the basic, fundamental, or essential part of something, किसी चीज का मुख्य या बुनियादी हिस्सा, meet with indifference, to be ignored or receive no reaction, ठंडी प्रतिक्रिया मिलना, उदासीनता, mend fences, to repair a damaged relationship, रिश्ते सुधारना, money to burn, more money than one needs, जरूरत से ज्यादा पैसा, muddy the waters, to make a situation more confusing or unclear, स्थिति को और अधिक उलझा देना, muster in force, to gather in large numbers, बड़ी संख्या में इकट्ठा होना, my way or the highway, accept my terms or leave, मेरी बात मानो या चलते बनो, nail in the coffin, a final factor leading to failure or end, असफलता का अंतिम कारण, next to nothing, very little, almost nothing, नामात्र, बहुत कम, not have a ghost of a chance, to have no chance at all, जरा भी संभावना न होना, not keep one's word, to fail to keep a promise, वादा न निभाना, not know someone from Adam, to not know someone at all, to have never met them, अनजान होना, nuts and bolts, the basic practical details of a subject or activity, किसी चीज की बुनियादी कार्यप्रणाली या बारीकियां, nutty as a fruit cake, completely crazy, पूरा पागल, old wives' tale, a traditional belief that is untrue or unscientific, दादी नानी की कहानी, अंधविश्वास, on hand, available and ready, उपलब्ध, on the bench, to be a presiding judge. To be temporarily not involved in an activity, न्यायाधीश के पद पर होना, अस्थायी रूप से किसी प्रक्रिया में शामिल न होना, on the blink, not functioning properly. Out of order, खराब, ठीक से काम न करना, on the button, exactly right, सटीक, एकदम सही, on the dot, at the exact time specified, बिल्कुल सही समय पर, on the fly, while in motion. Without preparation, चलते फिरते बिना तैयारी के, on the hook, to be responsible for something, जिम्मेदार होना, on the other side, from a different perspective, किसी बात का दूसरा पहलू या उल्टा पक्ष, on. The trot, one after another without pause. Continuously, लगातार, एक के बाद एक, on the up and up, honest and legitimate. Improving, ईमानदार और साफ सुथरा, तरक्की की राह पर, out of nowhere, unexpectedly. Suddenly, अचानक, कहीं से भी, out of the way, remote, far from main places, दूर स्थित, out on a limb, in a risky, isolated. और vulnerable position, जोखिम भरी या अकेली स्थिति में, over the hill, to be past one's prime, too old to be effective or attractive, उम्र दराज होना, बूढ़. Over the top, to do something excessively, to exceed limits, हद पार करना, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करना, overstep the mark, to go beyond acceptable limits. To behave inappropriately, हद पार करना, मर्यादा का उल्लंघन करना, paint the town red, go out to celebrate wildly, खूब मौज मस्ती करना, palmy days, a time of prosperity and success, सुनहरे दिन, अच्छे दिन, palsy walsy, or pally wally, very friendly. Often in a way that seems insincere, बहुत दोस्ताना, अक्सर दिखावटी, paper tiger, a person or thing that appears threatening or powerful but is actually weak, कागजी शेर, दिखने में मजबूत लेकिन कमजोर, pass oneself off as, to pretend to be someone or something else, फर्जी पहचान देना, pay over the odds, to pay more than something is worth, अधिक कीमत चुकाना, pearls of wisdom, a wise or supposedly wise remark, often used ironically, ज्ञान की बात, प्रायः व्यंग्यात्मक प्रयोग में, pick a fight, to deliberately start an argument or confrontation, पंगा लेना, जानबूझकर झगड़ा करना, pick up the pace, to start doing something faster. To increase speed, रफ्तार तेज करना, गति बढ़ाना, pillar of the society, or community, a respected and important member of society, समाज का स्तंभ, सम्मानित व्यक्ति, pin back one's ears, to listen very carefully or to pay close attention, कान लगाकर सुनना, ध्यान देना, pinch pennies, to be very careful with money. To be frugal, कंजूसी करना, पैसा बचाना, play hell with, to cause damage or confusion to something, भारी नुकसान पहुंचाना, point the finger at, to blame or accuse someone, उंगली उठाना, दोष लगाना, pull oneself up by one's bootstraps, to improve one's situation through one's own efforts, अपने बल पर उठना, punching bag, a person who is repeatedly criticized, attacked, or bullied, अनुचित आलोचना का शिकार व्यक्ति, push one's luck, to take a risk by asking for or doing too much, किस्मत को ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा आजमाना, जोखिम उठाना, push someone's buttons, to deliberately annoy someone, किसी को उकसाना, चिढ़ाना, push the boat out, to spend money freely. Especially to celebrate, खूब खर्च करना, जश्न मनाना, push the envelope, to go beyond established limits. To innovate or try something new and risky, सीमाओं को तोड़ना, put a sock in it, tell someone to stop talking or be quiet, चुप रहने को कहना, put one's oar in, to give unwanted advice or interfere in something, बिना मांगे सलाह देना. दखल देना, put one's shoulder to the wheel, to work hard at something, जी जान लगाकर काम करना, put out to pasture, to force to retire or stop working. Often due to age, जबरन सेवानिवृत्त करना, put the screws on, to pressure or coerce someone strongly, दबाव डालना. Pyrrhic victory, a victory that comes at such great cost it is not worth winning, ऐसी जीत जिसमें बहुत कुछ खोना पड़े, raise someone's hackles, to make someone angry, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना, raring to go. Very eager and enthusiastic to start, शुरू करने को बेताब, reach in accord, to achieve agreement, समझौता करना, reap the harvest, to receive the results or consequences of one's actions, मेहनत का फल. पाना, return the favor, to do something nice for someone who has done something nice for you, एहसान का बदला चुकाना, ride the gravy train, to earn money easily without much effort, मुफ्त की मलाई खाना. बिना मेहनत लाभ उठाना, rob Peter to pay Paul, to take from one to give to another. Solving nothing, एक की जेब से निकालकर दूसरे को देना, rub shoulders with, to associate with important people, बड़े लोगों के साथ उठना बैठना, rule of thumb, a practical guideline based on experience. Rather than exact measurement, व्यवहारिक अनुभव के आधार पर, run for the hills, to flee or escape quickly from a dangerous situation, खतरे से बचने के लिए भागना, run like the wind, to run very fast. बहुत तेज दौड़ना, run the gauntlet, to go through a dangerous or hostile situation, कठिनाइयों या खतरों से गुजरना, save face, to avoid humiliation or embarrassment, इज्जत बचाना. मान रखना, save someone's bacon, to rescue someone from a difficult situation, किसी को मुसीबत से बचाना, say one's piece, to express one's opinion, अपनी बात कहना, screw up one's courage, to force oneself to be brave, हिम्मत जुटाना, see red, to become very angry, गुस्से से लाल होना, separate the sheep from the goats, to distinguish between good and bad people or things, अच्छे और बुरे में अंतर. करना, set by the ears, to cause people to quarrel or fight, कान भरना, झगड़ा भड़काना, set in stone, to be fixed and unchangeable. Not able to be altered, पत्थर की लकीर, जो बदला न जा सके, sheet anchor, a reliable or principal support, मुख्य सहारा, shoot from the hip, to speak or act without careful thought or consideration, बिना सोचे बोलना, short fuse, a tendency to get angry very quickly, तुनक मिजाज, जल्दी गुस्सा होना, shoulder to shoulder, side by side. Working together in unity, कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर, एकजुट होकर, show one's hand, to reveal one's intentions or plans, पत्ते खोल देना, योजना प्रकट करना, showstopper, a performance or act that is so impressive it receives overwhelming applause, शानदार और प्रभावशाली प्रदर्शन, sick at heart, very unhappy or disappointed. Deeply troubled, दिल से दुखी, बहुत निराश, sing from the same hymn sheet, to express the same opinion or give the same information publicly, एक ही राग अलापना, समान बात कहना. Sink or swim, to fail or succeed by one's own efforts alone, अपने दम पर आर या पार, sixth sense, an intuitive ability to perceive things beyond the five senses, छठी इंद्री, पूर्वाभास, smell something. Fishy, to sense something suspicious, दाल में कुछ काला लगना, संदेह होना, someone's ears are burning. A feeling that someone is talking about you in your absence, पीठ पीछे चर्चा होना, याद किया. जाना, someone's ears are flapping, a feeling that someone is listening intently to a private conversation, छिपकर सुनना, spare no expense, to spend as much money as necessary without limiting costs. खर्च की परवाह न करना, square the circle, to attempt an impossible task, असंभव काम करने की कोशिश, stuff and nonsense, used to express that something is ridiculous or untrue, बेकार की बातें, swim with. sharks, to associate or compete with dangerous people, खतरनाक लोगों के बीच रहना, take a stand, to publicly express and defend an opinion or position, अपना रुख स्पष्ट करना, take as gospel, to believe something without question, आँख मूंदकर विश्वास करना, take it up a notch, to increase the level or intensity of something, अधिक प्रयास करना, take no prisoners, to be ruthless or uncompromising. निर्दयता से काम करना, take someone, something by storm, to quickly gain popularity or success, तूफान की तरह छा जाना, अचानक जबरदस्त सफलता पाना, take the biscuit, to be the most surprising. Annoying or extreme example of something, सबसे बुरा उदाहरण होना, take the law into one's own hands, to punish someone without legal authority, कानून अपने हाथ में लेना, take the plunge, to decide to do something risky, कूद पड़ना, जोखिम उठाना, talk big, to boast. To speak with exaggerated self-importance, डींग हाँकना, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करना, talk 19 to the dozen, to talk very quickly and continuously, बहुत तेज और लगातार बोलना, talk someone's head off, to talk to someone for a very long time. Often boringly, किसी का सिर खा जाना, बहुत बातें करना, talk tall, boastful or exaggerated speech, लंबी चौड़ी हाँकना, 10 out of 10, a perfect score. Used to express that something is excellent, 10 में से 10, पूर्ण अंक या बिल्कुल सही, the bare bones, the basic facts or essential elements without details, मुख्य बिंदु, the coast is clear, there is no danger or obstacle, रास्ता साफ है, the curtain falls, the end of an event or performance, पर्दा गिरना, समाप्ति होना, the feathers fly, a heated argument or fight breaks out, गर्मागम बहस, थे. Jewel in the crown, the most valuable possession or achievement, सबसे मूल्यवान हिस्सा, the onus is on, the responsibility is entirely yours, जिम्मेदारी आपके कंधों पर है, the order of the day, थे. Prevailing state of things. What is usual, popular, or currently accepted, वर्तमान प्रचलन, the primrose path, a life of pleasure that leads to ruin, सुखद लेकिन विनाशकारी रास्ता. The school of hard knocks, learning through difficult life experiences rather than formal education, ठोकर खाकर सीखना, जीवन के कड़े अनुभवों से सीखना, the ugly duckling, someone unpromising who later becomes successful, जो शुरुआत में साधारण या कमजोर लगे, लेकिन आगे चलकर श्रेष्ठ निकले, thick in the head, to be slow to understand. Stupid or dull, मोटा दिमाग होना, मूर्ख या मंदबुद्धि, throw into a tailspin, to cause someone or something to lose control or become chaotic, अफरा तफरी मचाना, throw one's weight around, to act in a domineering or bullying manner, रुतबा दिखाना, धौंस जमाना, throw someone under the bus, to betray or sacrifice someone for personal gain, बलि का बकरा बनाना, अपने फायदे के लिए किसी को फंसा देना, tie someone's hands, to prevent someone from acting freely, हाथ बांध देना, कुछ करने से रोकना, to the backbone, through and through. Completely and thoroughly, पूरी तरह से, to the bitter end, until something is completely finished, however unpleasant, मरते दम तक, अंत तक, to the hilt, completely. To the maximum extent, पूरी तरह से, toil and mole, to work very hard, कठिन परिश्रम, top notch, of the highest possible quality, अव्वल दर्जे का, topsy-turvy, in a state of complete disorder or confusion, उल्टा पुल्टा, अस्त व्यस्त, toss and turn, to move restlessly in bed. Unable to sleep, करवटें बदलना, बेचैनी में रात काटना, try one's hand at, to attempt or try doing something for the first time, हाथ आजमाना, पहली बार कोशिश करना, turn one's stomach, to make someone feel disgusted or nauseous, जी मिचलाना, घृणा होना, turn to account, to use something to one's advantage, परिस्थिति का फायदा लेना, turn up the heat, to increase pressure, दबाव बढ़ाना, turn upside down. To search thoroughly, to create disorder, अच्छी तरह खोजना. उलट पुलट करना, 23 skidoo, hasty departure, जल्दी निकलना, twist the knife, to make a bad situation even worse, जले पर नमक छिड़कना, दुख बढ़ाना, under lock and key, kept securely locked or guarded, सुरक्षित रखना, under the table, done secretly. Especially involving illegal payment, मेज के नीचे, गुप्त रूप से, up for grabs, available to anyone who wants it, उपलब्ध, use a sledgehammer to crack a nut, to use excessive force or resources for a simple task, चींटी मारने के लिए तोप चलाना, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा ताकत लगाना, Van Gogh's ear for music, to be tone deaf or have no musical ability at all, संगीत की बिल्कुल समझ न होना, verbal diarrhea. The tendency to talk too much. Often without substance, अत्यधिक बातचीत, walk a mile in someone's shoes, to try to understand someone else's experiences or perspective, किसी की जगह खुद को रखकर देखना, ways and means, methods and resources for achieving something, उद्देश्य प्राप्ति के तरीके, wear a long face, to look unhappy or disappointed, मुंह लटकाना, उदास दिखना. Weigh one's words, to choose what one says carefully, तौलकर बोलना, सोच समझकर बोलना, wipe the smile off someone's face, to cause someone to lose their happiness or confidence suddenly, किसी की मुस्कान गायब कर देना, wish upon a star, to hope for something unlikely or dream of something, किसी असंभव इच्छा की कामना करना, with a heavy heart, with great sadness or reluctance, भारी मन से, बहुत दुख के साथ, with all guns blazing, with maximum force and effort, पूरी ताकत के साथ, within an ace of, very close to achieving something, लगभग हासिल कर लेना, without a doubt, certainly. Definitely, निस्संदेह, wrestle with one's demons, to struggle with personal problems, inner conflicts, past trauma, bad habits, or emotional issues, आंतरिक द्वंद्व, अपनी कमजोरियों या बुरी आदतों से लड़ना, wring someone's neck, to be very angry with someone, गर्दन मरोड़ना, बहुत गुस्सा होना, X marks the spot, used to indicate the exact location of something, सटीक स्थान, yellow journalism, sensationalist journalism that exaggerates news for readership, सनसनीखेज और भ्रामक पत्रकारिता.